Once again, hello everyone. I'm delighted to be your facilitator for this course on the job readiness and how to make a job ready. So my name is Jagriti Singh and I'm the passionate one about empowering individuals to reach their full potential in their professional world. As a facilitator, my goal is to provide you with the knowledge, support, and encouragement you need to have in order to be the successful one in the competitive environment. Whether you just starting in your career or looking to next step, I'm here to help you every step of the way. So let's, without wasting any further time, let's get into the PPT. So as you can see, make job ready. This is the course I'm talking about. A development course to set you up for work or for the successful life at the work. you know, and the presentation is of course made by me, Jagriti Singh, who is gonna be your facilitator for this course. So what we will talk about, like if you are talking about this course, then what exactly we are going to talk about? So the first one is introduction, that what this job ready means, our training objective, different skills to learn, which will help you to move forward in your life. Course benefit, topics that I'm going to cover, summary of key learnings, checking for understanding if you are like if you get to the point which I wanted you to be or not. So this is basically checking your understanding. Objective of this course. So this course is aimed to equip you with the practical skills and knowledge that empowers you, that your employees value or that your employees want. That you have to be the one which your employer wants you to be. We will bridge the gap between you learn. We will bridge the gap between what you learn in school and what you are going to do in your job or in your upcoming, let's say, college or the job, whatever. We will explore the current job trends, current market trends, current uh, needful skills and the knowledge and the current technology because these nowadays you know that being a tech savvy is the savior. If you want to keep moving in your career, then you have to be somewhere, then you have to learn at least some sort of courses which will give you and which will help you to become a tech savvy. So, yeah. So let's make learning fun and prepare you for the success in the real world. So, yeah, first and foremost important thing is to understand what is job ready means. So job ready means having the skills and experience your employers want. Because if you don't enhance or you don't possess these skills or the experience that your job employers want, they won't hire you, no, of course. So it's about acing interviews, showcasing a strong resume, possessing a professional attitude. So by building your skills and presenting yourself well, you will be able to stand out and land your dream job. So what does this like building your skills and presenting yourself means or signifies? This basically is showing you the importance of building your skills and the way you are going to present yourself because negotiating and communication skill is the most important thing when you want to land into your dream job. Okay. Uh, why does job ready matter? So let's assume that tomorrow you have the interview. Now, what will happen is you have not prepared yourself already. Like pre-preparation is very important when you're looking for any job interview or you want to be a person whom the company is going to hire. So that is where the job being ready matters. So it increases your chances, as I mentioned, that if you want to get selected, then you have to prepare yourself in advance. So it increases your chances, of course. A strong qualification and presentation grab attention, making you competitive candidate. Makes a great first impression. Confidence and the confidence showcase your value to the employers, and it will boost the chances of getting selected. Boost confidence, of course. If you are well prepared in advance, then it's definitely going to boost your confidence. For faster job search, of course. So when you have the clear understanding, your goal and the job description you're going to handle, then you are able to search the job accordingly and the faster as compared to the other one who is not well prepared, who is not well established, who is not well, who doesn't have well polished resume. So this is how being job ready matters. Of course, the higher salary potential and the career growth opportunities. So, yep. Importance of job ready course. So, these are the basic importance which you will get to know as soon as you start the learning job ready course. So, for that, I have prepared a Word document for you all so that you can go through it and learn all the important things which is going to help you and which will help you to keep going also. So the first one is practical skill and the soft skill emphasis, industry insights, of course, the experience from the experienced one, transition support, career confidence, continuous learning, mindset, and the competitive edge. So let's talk about essential skills for success. Reading, writing, listening, numeracy, problem solving, digital, communication, collaboration, adaptability, and creation and innovation. So reading, of course, reading is the most important thing because when you know how to read, you are good to go. I mean, at least, I mean, of course you are good to go, na? If you are able to read something, then it's showing that you have some potential to move forward in your life. Now, writing skill is very important because you have to write emails when you are into the corporate world. So here, writing skills come into existence. Numeracy, of course, if you want to make your career in finance, then numeracy and being good in numbers is the most important thing. Digital, of course. Nowadays, everything is digitalized. So here, digital comes into the picture. Problem solving, you have to be a problem solver so that you can come with a solution to the problem. Communication, the most important thing. When you know how to communicate, you will be able to convince people, or you will be able to convey the information from one level to the other level of the management. Collaboration is very important because team collaboration comes into picture when you going to handle a team or you are a part of a team which is going to work on a project. Adaptability is also very important because you have to change yourself according to the job. Creativity, of course, and innovation, which will help you to move forward because things keep changing, environment keep changing, and technology also keeps changing. So with that, you have to be creative and innovative simultaneously. Skill assessment, be aware of your strength and weakness, which is very crucial for both personal and impersonal development. Self-assessment techniques can be experience reflection, skills inventory, personality assessment. Seeking external feedback like performance review, mentorship or coaching, peer reviews. Now the improvement areas. Always find the way to improve the areas you are lacking behind because which is very important. Uh, like what important is overcoming your weakness. When you clearly know your weakness, then you know that how you can overcome those weaknesses. So identifying development opportunities, gap analysis, research the industry trends, training and development. Communication is skill. So communication is skill. What is this means? This means that communication skills help you to transfer the information from one person to another person. If you get to know some information which is very important, for the company, and you have to report it to your manager maybe. So now, when you know how to communicate, then you will be able to communicate your information, your feelings, your ideas to the other party also. So here, communication skill is where come into picture, and it helps you to tailor your it helps you to increase your confidence, increase your chances of being like hired into the organization. So yeah, effective communication is skill. So effective communication is skill. Four key skills for job readiness. Active skill, clear and concise skill. Confident is communication. Adaptable communication is skill. So active listening, be a good listener. Pay close attention what others are saying, what others are asking, or what others are trying to communicating. So being an active listener is very important. Second, clear and concise communication. Express your ideas in concise way. Don't make it very large. Otherwise, people will start feel bored. And use very clear and concise language also. Confident communication. Always try to project your confidence in your voices and your body language also. Maintain good eye contact. Speak with a clear and steady voice, and avoid nervous habits like shaking and shivering. And if you have to stage fear, then try to interact more with the people you are not comfortable with. Okay, so here confidence here that communication with the uncomfortable people will make you to boost your confidence, and it will also help you when you help you to enhance your skills. Adaptable communication style, recognize the communication styles vary. uh, Adjust your approach based on the situation and the audience, which is very important thing. Be prepared to communicate effectively in person or over email, phone, or video. So these are the like a style, or these are the sources through which you can communicate your ideas to the other party or to the front party. Okay. Benefits of effective communication. So enhanced collaboration, teamwork, improved decision making, stronger employee engagement, reduce errors and misunderstanding, improve client relationship, enhanced employer brand. So go through all these points thoroughly and understand what this point suggests, what this point is trying to um make you understand. Okay. So in conclusion, effective communication is the lifeblood of a successful corporation. By prioritizing clear, open communication, organization can cultivate a collaborative and productive work environment, and improves the decision making and achieve their strategic goal also. So here are the tips through which you can improve your verbal communication. Verbal communication, what? When you speak up, when you try to say something through speaking. So here are verbal communication, active listening, clarity and concision, vary your vocal tone, confident in body language, practice public speaking. These are I have already covered. So just go through it thoroughly. Tips for improving written communication. So yeah, now uh, what is written communication? So sometimes what happens is your manager asks for an email. So now written communication comes into existence. So always go through and read widely. Check your grammar and the mechanism, which is important. Profound carefully. Uh, Strong structure should be there. Active voice and clarity and concision. Okay. How good are you email writing? Okay. So now written communication comes into existence. So email writing, which is very important because sometimes what happens is you get some email and you have to forward it to someone or you have to reply to the email. So now you need to know what are the basic etiquettes of the email writing. So just go through this slide. Now, next one is why are email writing skills important? So, email skills are important, which because they helps in communicating facts, they helps in communicating ideas, they helps you to find new roles, work as a marketing tool, of course, makes you a better leader. Example of email skills: communication, editing, brevity, time management, attention to detail. Okay, so this is the basic email writing format. The first one is subject line. Uh, Write a clear and concise subject line that summarizes the purpose of your email. Just keep it short and about write it to an extent of 4 to 5 letters, not more than 4 to 5 words, not more than that. Salutation like hello ma'am, hello sir, respected ma'am, respected sir. So this is how salutation works. So now introduction and the body part of your email, and then closing like sincerely, thankfully, best regards, thank you, yours sincerely, your faithfully. So these are the closing like remark which you have to put when you like and when you are going to end the that email. Now signature. Signature is very important. Either just write your name or provide your signature. So this is the like subject and so sorry. This is the format of email writing. Just go through all these examples which I have given you. Now let's talk about networking skills. So yeah, opportunity awareness, knowledge exchange, resource sharing. So networking skills, why the networking skill is important? So when you make yourself job ready, then what next come into picture when you are well prepared, when you are done with the preparation, when you know that what kind of jobs you are looking for, and when you know that you possess all these skills which are demanding in the current trends or current market. So networking comes into picture when you are going to look for the job, look for the vacant role. So opportunity awareness. Networking helps you to stay informed about job openings, industry trends, potential career advancement. Many opportunities are not advised publicly but are instead shared through professional networks. So being in a professional group is very important. It's crucial for you to like uh, helps you to keep updating yourself according to the trends and keep yourself connecting with the people who are already in the corporate world and especially connect with them who are in the same like domain in which you are going to be or in which you want to be in. So yeah, knowledge exchange through networking, you can connect with professionals who possess valuable insights and experiences. So exchanging knowledge with them can help you broaden your understanding of your field and stay updated on the emerging trends, which I have already mentioned. So resource sharing. Professional networks are invaluable source of resources, including advice, mentorship, referrals, and recommendations. These resources can be instrumental in overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities in your career. So yeah, building relationship, of course, career advancement. So both are very basic points. So I would not go get into that into too much detailing. So yep, just go through it. Now let's talk about tips for building and maintaining professional network. Be genuine. Authenticity is key. If you want to get into interact with someone, be sincere and be genuine and show genuine interest in others. Don't waste anyone else's time because maybe they are very busy and like they have kept out some couple of minutes for you to get interact into. So don't waste your time. Just be authentic, be genuine, and show genuine interest towards the discussion. So attend and networking events. So through LinkedIn, you can come across to any conferences or seminars or workshop which is going to happen in your city. So always try to attend those networking events. Utilize online platforms like I have mentioned. Platforms like LinkedIn offer excellent opportunities to connect with professionals in your field, especially in your fields. Okay, I'm talking. Regularly update your profile, join relevant groups, engage with others through comments and messages. Now follow up, offer help and support, stay organized. So now, yeah. So all those networking skills, skills, which includes verbal skills and writing skills, are very important when you make yourself job ready. When you want to enhance the information which will definitely going to help you to make yourself job ready. So yeah. Now let's talk about technical skills. So what does this technical skills mean? So you know that digitalization and technology advancement keeps growing. It's not static. It keeps growing. Nowadays, now the introduction of AI is also very, uh, what do you call? चर्चा में बहुत ज़्यादा है AI. So what happens is you want to know more about the technicalities like uh, occur in behind the background of that AI things. So I'm not a technical person, so I will definitely not go into that thing very deeply. So yeah, let's talk about ऊपर ऊपर से क्योंकि मुझे भी इतना कोई आइडिया नहीं है लिटरली मैं बता रही हूँ I'm a commerce graduate, so yeah, let's stick to the main points. So technical skills, of course, technical skill refers to the ability and knowledge required to perform a specific task with a particular field, industry, and profession. These skills are often practical and tangible, involving the application of specialized tools, techniques, and methodologies to accomplish specific goals or objectives. So NLP, that is natural language processing. So natural language processing, as its name suggesting, understanding and processing human language that we are going like we are the basic human language, which is a medium of human people, like human beings. So like talking in Hindi, Marathi, English, Tamil. So these are the natural language processing. So when you use these languages to communicate in the corporate world, then you are using natural language processing, including tasks like sentiment analysis, text classification, named entity recognition, and language generation. Now, the second and the most, I would say, difficult one, which is machine language or machine learning. So, knowledge about various machine learning algorithms such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Ability to train and evaluate machine learning models for tasks like classification, regression, clustering, and sequence prediction. तो machine language is basically simple सा समझते हैं कि जब when you see a home page of any website, like when you entered any when you given a input to the Google, then Google क्या करेगा? It will give you a couple of website, a list, couple of like it will basically show you the home page, okay, according to the input which you have given to the Google. तो नाउ अब आप क्या करोगे उसमें से किसी भी एक या सर्टेन वेबसाइट पे आप गए अब वहाँ पे आप पूरा एक डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया किसी भी टॉपिक का तो behind that text or behind that like source of information what is happening, so there are multiple languages are there which developers use to build, and through that languages you are able to see a simple text which you can only understand. So this is how things work, like behind में क्या क्या चल रहा है हमें भी समझ नहीं आता है कभी कभी तो क्योंकि वो डेवलपर का काम है डेवलप करना उनका काम है। वो HTML, hypertext markup language वगैरह यूज करते हैं। और there are different languages ना, like Java, C++, कोडिंग। सो बेसिकली वो पूरा कोड रहता है ना, जो हमें नहीं दिखता है। हमें क्या दिखता है? जो हम समझ सकते हैं। ओनली ह्यूमन कैन अंडरस्टैंड। तो हमें सिर्फ वही दिखता है जो हमें समझना है। else information is just confidential. Nobody knows what is behind that home page or behind that website का पूरा logo वगैरह। So yeah, this is how technical things work. So deep learning, that is convolutional neural network, recurrent neural. So agar, if you are a BTech person, whoever is watching my like video or content, if you are a BTech person, then you basically know all these terms: RNN, CNN, this programming languages like AI, NLP, Python, NP, NPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn. So I don't need to go into deep too much. If you are someone who is like me, don't understand these terms at all, तो आप क्या करो? आप नेट पे जाओ, अगर आप इनके बारे में कीन हो पढ़ने के लिए, then you go through it. Otherwise, just read the term, that why technical skills are important and what are basic technical skills are there into the market. So getting the ऊपर का knowledge is more than enough for you. Okay, so कुछ glitches आ गए थे, sorry for that. Yeah, so what I was talking about is skills comes after the that experience wala part. Okay, so now highlight your relevant skills. What are the skills you are posing, including technical skills, language skills, certifications, and then other abilities that apply to the job you are applying for. Okay, optional sections are awards and honors if you have one, certification if you did anyone, volunteer work if you have any internship experience, and always consider including those into your resume, but in a keywords only. Formatting and layout is also important. Proof, proofread is important, and tailor your resume, customize your resume for each job application by highlighting the skills and experiencing to the job position. Okay. Key points to remember: tailor it to the job. हमेशा keep updating your resume according to the job description. Keep it concise. Always make it छोटा सा, a length of 1 or 2 page, depending on the level of experience you are having. Use action verbs like bullet points or keywords which describes your accomplishments and responsibilities. Don't include haphazard information or the false information, which I have already discussed about. Quantify achievements. Highlight relevant skills. Be honest and transparent. Use a professional format. Don't use in professional format which doesn't doesn't consider as a formal format. So yeah, include keywords like I mentioned. Now the most tricky or the most difficult difficult uh, stair, जब आप कोई भी सीढ़ी चढ़ते हो, मतलब स्टेयर जब आप यूज कर रहे हो, तो सबसे डिफिकल्ट जो पॉइंट आता है, सो दिस interview preparation is considered as the most difficult like stair of your successful life. So research the company, learn about the company mission, values, products or services, culture, and recent news or developments. Understand how your skills and experiences going to help that company's needs and will help them to achieve their goals. Understand the job description. It is very important, and like I have mentioned before, that always keep your resume according to the profile you are applying for. Okay, so review the job description carefully to identify the key responsibilities, required qualification, and desired skills. Prepare examples from your experiences that demonstrate how you meet these requirements. Like if you are meeting any requirements of the uh, you know of the job description, then what are the sources behind it? So always understand the job description. Otherwise, it will create a problem, and it will lead to the employer think that you are just wasting your time. You are just wasting their time simultaneously. So avoid making those mistakes. Practice your responses. Re, rehearse your responses to common interview questions to articulate your experiences, accomplishment, and skills confidently. Practice answering questions concisely while providing enough detail to demonstrate your qualification. Okay. Prepare questions to ask. There are certain like similar questions, a couple of questions which every interviewer is going to ask. So always prepare those questions in advance. Dress appropriately, which is very important. Choose professional attire that aligns with the company culture and industry norms. Dressing appropriately shows respect for the interviewer, reflects your professionalism, and also increase the chances of your being selected. Arrive early, plan to arrive at the interview location at least 10 to 15 minutes, or if you are going to be interviewed through a Zoom meeting, then try to join the meeting at least 10 minutes before. So it definitely demonstrates your punctuality and reliability. So yeah, छोटी छोटी चीजें बहुत important हो जाती है when you are going to present yourself. Okay, so these are the basic common interview questions which every HR like they always prefer to ask these questions like in the beginning of your interview. So go through it and behavioral questions, salary and availability, and other questions. Like if you have any question for them, then you can ask them. Continuous learning. So yeah, lifelong learning mindset. Maintaining a lifelong learning mindset is crucial in today's rapidly evolving world. Here is why. Adaptability, competitive advantage, personal growth, future proofing, networking, and collaboration. Just go through all these points. You will be able to understand that I have already mentioned all these points thoroughly in the beginning of the presentation. So yeah, importance of keeping updated with the industry. Of course, competitive advantage. You will have the, a greater possibility of getting selected when you are like when you keep yourself updated with the industry, with the recent news, with everything like recently happening. Innovation opportunity, risk management, strategy, decision making, professional development. So yeah, continuing learning will definitely going to make you expertise in your area. Goal setting, SMART goal, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound, is a proven framework for career advancement. So it's specific, clearly define what you want to achieve. Okay. So always specify your targets, such as if you want to get into that position, then prepare accordingly, na? And measurable, that uh, establish criteria to measure your progress. Always make a goal which is measurable, like which can be measurable. So next one is it should be achievable also. If you are like making a goal, then it should be realistic and attainable with your current circumstances, considering your skills, resources, and time constraint. It should be achievable. It should not be like something which you can't achieve. Relevant. It should be relevant. कोई आप marketing background हो तो finance background का कुछ भी check करना is doesn't make any sense. If you are a BTech person and if you want to continue your job journey in technical analyst, technical analysis only, then keep yourself to that extent. Don't go into the finance or into the management things. Just make it relevant. Like the goal which you are setting, keep it relevant to the need of yours and your organization at the same time. Time bound, set deadlines for achieving your goals. Like if you have decided that you have to do these things in the upcoming 2 days or 3 days, make a time bound. Uh, Set a deadlines to achieve your targets that in the first day I will complete all these points. In the second days I will achieve all these points too. So this is how you are going to complete leadership training, complete all the things in the time framework like which you have planned for. So yeah, Thank you for listening. I hope you're going to achieve whatever you are looking for. So उसके पहले मैं बता दूं कि I am already providing you a Word document of, I guess, 250 or 300 pages, which includes every single topic thoroughly, every single skills which is needed for the like attainment of your goals. So go through it thoroughly, and I hope you will have a great, experience after going through my content. So yeah, thank you so much and best of luck for your career.